Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you the Tulip Etimo Crochet hook, a Japanese brand known for their quality and comfort. What makes this hook special is ergonomic design. The handle is made of super soft silicone and the hook itself is aluminum. This combination makes it lightweight, comfortable, and easy to hold during the long periods. You can crochet for hours without any hand fatigue, and cleaning is very simple, just water and a little soap. So let's try it. Yeah, it's very easy to hold, and the yarn moves very smooth. I like it very much. Whether you're a beginner or experienced, this hook really makes every stitch smooth and enjoyable. So if you are looking for a high quality crochet hook, the Tulip Etimo is perfect. And I love this red color, it's very stylish. Let me know in the comments if you ever tried this hook and what is your impression. And of course, follow my channel Traditionals for more reviews, crochet lessons, and inspiration. And if you are in Barcelona and you would like to meet like-minded people, make new friends and create together, so come to my crochet classes in Barcelona. I have two options. One option is the called Roots, and this is for beginners from zero. We have a pack of lessons and lesson by lesson, step by step, you will learn all basics of crochet. And in the end of this course, you will make your own first project. And the second option, if you are experienced, you can come to our weekly meetings. I call it salon, like in the past times, where the ladies they were gathering together, creating something beautiful things and talking about all life and all other stuff. So feel free to come, and you can bring your own project, or like every 2 weeks we have group project, so it's up to you. And I will be very happy to see you. And I have more than 20 years of experience with crochet, and I love this hook so much, so I give it to every person, like part of the starter pack, to every person who come to my crochet club, because I want you to enjoy this process, especially if you are a beginner and you just start learning. It's very important to see this like crochet like a fun and enjoyable process, not like I don't want you to struggle, okay? So feel free to fill this form below and I will contact you, and once you do, you will get a free PDF pattern of a table decoration, flower table decoration. So see you, ciao.